Hey guys, so welcome back to Chef HD. I'm a little late on this one, but I've been seeing this Popeye sandwich for almost a year now, and I finally had a Popeyes open up by me, and I decided to give it a shot. I'm gonna try the sandwich for you guys, and then we're gonna go back into the kitchen, and we're gonna recreate it. I think it's gonna be a little fun. You guys are gonna enjoy it. So let's try this sandwich. Got my Popeye. Got my Popeyes. I got the spicy one and the regular one. We're gonna start with the regular. All right, little baggie. Oh, mama, look at that thing. Chicken is actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. All right, so let's break it down, piece by piece, I guess. You got the bun, looks like a brioche, some kind of brioche. Oh, this is the spicy one. All right, so we'll start with the spicy one. Got a little spicy mayo on there. Pretty simple sandwich. 2 pickles. Spicy mayo on the bottom too. Let's give it a taste. The crumb is really good. Really crispy. And you get the spice right away. But it's not that bad. It's not that spicy.
Not so spicy.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's a good sandwich. Alright, so now we got the not spicy one. Regular. I guess original, whatever the hell they call it. Just regular mayo. It looks like they toast the bun, but not much. Yeah, they toast the bottom one. The bottom one's a little more toasted. But just regular mayo. And here it is. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright guys, so enough talk. We tasted both sandwiches. They're very good. I like the original one better. The spicy one lacks a little flavor. You got the heat, but it lacks the flavor, like a little more acid I think it needed. With that being said, let's go back into the kitchen and try to recreate these bad boys. I'm going to show you how to make the buns. They're probably going to be the best buns you'll ever taste. I'm going to make a garlic chipotle mayo. We're going to make some homemade pickles.
Did he say
Finally,
pickles?
the chicken. I'm going to show you how to fry some chicken. Make sure to check out chefhd.tv. I got to throw it in there. Support the site. Pick up a hoodie or some t-shirts. We got some really cool t-shirts on there too. I appreciate it so much. You guys have no idea. All right, guys. So for the buns, we're going to start with a saucepan at medium heat. You got milk and water, and we're gonna whisk in our flour. So this flour paste is gonna make our buns really fluffy. And boom, that's our flour paste. We got the 2.5 cups of flour in here. We got the salt. We have our yeast and milk mixture here with our sugar, our dough paste here, our flour paste, and our eggs. All right, so I wanna put this on very low. Okay, so right here we have our milk, sugar, and yeast mixture. You can start to see the yeast activating with all those little bubblies. So go ahead and add that in now. Next, we're going to add our flour paste. Then our eggs. A rubber spatula and help out the mixer a little bit. Just push it down on the side so it all gets incorporated in there. Turn up the speed a little bit. Let the mixer do its thing. So let this go for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to add our softened butter into the mix. You should add the butter in small clumps, as you can see me doing right here. It combines into the dough a little easier. And plop that beautiful dough onto a light floured surface. Flick it with a little dusting flour. And now you just want to gently turn the dough over onto itself, corner by corner. I know it's round, just watch me. Here you just roll it onto the dry surface, creating some friction on the bottom of the dough. A nice round tight ball just like that. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it take a nap in a nice warm spot. Alright, so check out our dough. It rose about 2 times. You want to punch that down? Alright?
Flick, 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 flick that wrist.
Now really gently, repeat the folding process again. We want to keep those air pockets intact. Oh God, I didn't mean to do that. Don't worry, we're going to let the buns rest again. Now take your blade and we're going to divide these into 6 equal dough portions, about 10 ounces each. Fold them up again,
Same process, just a little smaller this time. No extra flour here. You want the bottom of the bun to stick to the surface. Roll, 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 and here you go. Beautiful little balls. And repeat. Cover them with another sheet pan and we're gonna let them rest again. I told you we were gonna do that. About an hour or so, or until doubled. Okay, now our egg wash. I love when that happens. Add a little milk, whisk it up nice.
All right, check those bad boys out. They're about doubled in size, all right? So now we want to put our egg wash on. I don't have a brush.
Funny guy.
So what I did was just take a paper towel and just cover that like that. So you want to lightly brush those. Okay, they're very fragile right now, so you just want to brush them lightly, all right? On all sides. I got the oven set to 400.
Camera magic.
We get some butter, all right? And
Yeah, the brush would have helped out a lot here.
generous coating of butter while they're still hot, all right?
Mayonnaise.
All right, so now onto the mayo. We got our poached garlic. Just gonna mash that up real good. Smoked chipotle peppers. Some Parmesan cheese. And a little fresh lime juice. We got our chicken breast in the buttermilk right here. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of paprika. A little bit of salt. And some black pepper. And just mix that in nice. Cover the cutlets up. We're gonna put this into the refrigerator for about an hour. You could do this overnight. It's probably better if you let it sit overnight.
Alright, so this is our crumb mixture. Do all-purpose flour, a little cornstarch, salt, pepper, smoked paprika,
And just mix that up real good.
Whisk it. Yeah.
Alright, so we got our chicken, got our flour, and you just want to take it, put it right in the flour like that, cover the top. Alright, you want to kind of squeeze it down on top. Alright. Get a wire rack next to you, just like that.
So I let my cutlets rest for about 10 minutes. It helps the process out a little bit. It dries out the cutlet and it gives you a nice crispier crust.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here?
Oil set to 350. We're gonna go on one cutlet at a time, all right? And nice and slow, away from you. Just drop it in there. All right, guys, so quick tip. When chicken floats in oil, it's ready, okay? All right, so check that bad boy out. Oh, mommy, look at that.
What a beauty.
All right, I think we did it right. Look at that crumb.
Crumb, crumb, crumb.
Butter your skillet. Want to give them a nice little golden brown crust just like that.
All right, guys, let's assemble. All right, so we got our spicy mayo. Bottom bun. Top bun. We're gonna do pickles on the bottom. Just like that. And our big ass chicken cutlet. Just like that. Don't worry about it. We did right, we did good. Oh yeah. And there she is. Yes. Look at that bread. Huh? Alright guys. So now the taste. Here we go. We gotta get the stance ready. We gotta get the stance.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh shit. Popeyes is good, but if you got some time and you want to recreate it, follow this recipe and get another bite. The crumb you're gonna get, the crunch you're gonna get when you do it at home, you're not getting it at Popeyes. This is out of this world. Guys, that's a wrap. If you like what you saw, please try the recipe. Make your own buns. It's really not that hard. Please subscribe to the channel. Again, check out our website. We got some cool t-shirts. We got some really cool content coming up. Give me a thumbs up. Peace.
Oh, yeah.